Most developers forget half the query parameters interviewers expect. Let's fix that. Filter parameters narrow results by specific field values. Question mark status equals active returns only active records. Question mark category equals books filters a catalog. Question mark name equals John searches by name. Multiple filters chained together with ampersands, letting clients build precise queries. Just as important, pagination. Never let an API return thousands of records at once. It kills performance. The classic approach uses page and limit. Question mark page equals 1. Limit equals 10 gives the first page of 10 items. An alternative uses offset and count. Offset equals 0. Count equals 20. Always default to paginated responses. Sorting parameters control result order. Common patterns. Sort equals created underscore at, combined with order equals desk for newest first. Some APIs use sort by instead. Pair them with filters and pagination for a fully flexible API. 2 more patterns. Field selection, using fields equals id, name, email, reduces payload size by returning only what the client needs. And range filtering, like min price equals 10, max price equals 100, or created after equals January 1st, 2024, enables precise scoped queries. Strong REST APIs support filters, pagination, sorting, field selection, and range queries. Master these 5 categories and you will stand out in any API interview. Like and subscribe for more. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.